Namo Namaha. Let us learn counting from 1 to 10 in Sanskrit, the most ancient language in the world. As I say each number, I'll be showing it on my fingers. Your task is to repeat the number after me, and you can also show the number with your fingers. That will help you to memorize it better. Are you ready? Let's go. Ekam. Once more. Ekam. Dve. Dve. Trini. When you say trini, your tongue has to bend inward. It has to flex inside your mouth. Rni on that rna. Trini. Chatvari. Chatvari. Pancha. Pancha. Shat. Here also your tongue has to flex backward. Shat on both the sounds. Sh and t. Shat. Sapta. Sapta. Ashtau. Again, tongue flexing backward. Ashtau. Nava. Nava. And lastly, dasha. Dasha. Alright, let's go over it once again. This time we'll repeat just once. Make sure you pay attention to the length of the vowels. Like when I say trini, that middle E is long. Or chatvari, the second A is also long. Just imitate the sound you hear from me and you'll be fine. Alright, let's do it one more time. Only one repetition. Ekam. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Pancha. Shat. Sapta. Ashtau. Nava. And dasha. Very good. Now the challenge zone. I'll show you the number on my fingers and you have to say it first. After that, I'll say the number and you will see if you got it right. Okay, ready? Let's go. Ekam. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Pancha. Shat. Sapta. Ashtau. Nava. And the last one. Dasha. Great. Don't worry if you are not able to remember all the numbers. Go to the beginning of the video, watch it again, repeat it a few times, 3, 4, 5 more times, and I'm sure you'll be able to pass the challenge zone. For now, thank you so much for being with me. Dhanyavadaha and Punarmilamaha.